Have you ever listened to the rain or splashed in a puddle? Let's explore a rainy day through all our senses. Pitta Patta by Sarah Lynch, illustrated by Sanna Sjöström. I can hear raindrops on the roof. Pitta patta, pitta patta, like tiny drums tapping a tune. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can see raindrops on the ground. Pitta patta, pitta patta, like sparkly diamonds in the sun. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can feel raindrops on my head. Pitta patta, pitta patta, like butterfly kisses on my hair. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can taste raindrops on my tongue. Pitta patta, pitta patta, like sipping bubbles from the clouds. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can smell raindrops in the air. Pitta patta, pitta patta, like flowers stretching in the breeze. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can splash in raindrops with my boots. Splish, splash, splosh. The puddles laugh and dance with me. Pitta patta, pitta patta. I can spy the rainbow after rain, shiny, bright and tall. The raindrops fade but colours stay. Pitta patta, pitta patta. This story shows how paying attention to the world around us can turn an ordinary rainy day into an adventure. What is your favourite thing to do when it rains?